So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? More specifically, North Las Vegas? And you have a budget in the 600,000s. But you're not sure what that price range will get you in this rapidly growing city. Well, then this video is for you. That's because we're gonna go visit 3 homes in the $600,000 to $700,000 range, so you can get a good idea of what is available at this price point here in North Las Vegas. And I think you're gonna be pleasantly surprised. So let's get after it right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe, and I absolutely love helping people discover all things Las Vegas, including the local real estate market. If this is the type of content that resonates with you, make sure you subscribe here below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas, with so much evolving almost daily. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. So if you're thinking about making that move, whether it be 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, text, or email. All that information is in the description below. So as I mentioned, we are here in North Las Vegas, a rapidly growing city of 101 square miles adjacent to Las Vegas, providing a unique blend of affordability, suburban living, and access to all the excitement Las Vegas has to offer. While often overshadowed by its famous neighbor, North Las Vegas has developed its own identity, attracting families, professionals, and retirees seeking a balance between city conveniences and a quieter lifestyle. The city has been investing in infrastructure, parks, and public services to enhance the quality of life for all its residents. One of North Las Vegas's biggest draws is its affordability compared to other parts of the Las Vegas Valley. Housing prices, as we are about to see, are lower than in popular areas like Summerlin and Henderson, making it an attractive option for would-be residents looking to stretch their budget further. The city has seen quite the surge in new residential developments, offering a mix of single-family homes and townhomes, especially just south and north of the 215 Beltway. Be sure to check out my other video on new construction communities in North Las Vegas after you're done watching this video to see what other options are available. Newer master plan communities in North Las Vegas provide well-maintained neighborhoods with parks, walking trails, and community centers like the park here behind me. Older parts of North Las Vegas, which would be the southern part of the city, have more established homes, often with larger yards, though some areas may require more upkeep. On another note, while many residents commute to Las Vegas for work, North Las Vegas has been expanding its job market. The Apex Industrial Park has attracted logistics, manufacturing, and technology companies, bringing employment opportunities to the area. Amazon, Fanatics, and other major businesses have distribution centers right here in North Las Vegas, contributing to economic growth. The city's leaders are focused on sustainable development, attracting more businesses and enhancing quality of life for residents. Along with continued investment in economic diversification and infrastructure, the city is poised for further growth and prosperity. I also wanted to point out that Nellis Air Force Base, located in the eastern edge of North Las Vegas, plays a significant role in the local economy, providing jobs for military personnel and civilians. This is the closest city to live in if you were to work on the base, and many families or military families call North Las Vegas home because of that. One other important note I wanted to mention is the crime rates here in North Las Vegas can vary significantly by neighborhood. Some areas, particularly newer developments, are considered safe and family friendly, while the older sections of the city have struggled with crime in the past. The city has made efforts to improve public safety by investing in police presence, community programs, and urban revitalization to help shift the negative perception North Las Vegas has garnered in the past. As with any city, researching specific neighborhoods before moving is essential. Gated communities and master plan developments often have lower crime rates, while areas closer to downtown North Las Vegas may experience higher incidents of property crime. As always, I am here as a resource for you to help guide you through and in the right direction. So, let's go visit a few homes in the $600,000 to $700,000 range to see what options are available. Our first stop is in a new gated subdivision called Azure Park, which is located in the northern portion of the city with easy access to the 215 Beltway. This home here listed behind me is for $626,000 and is 2,737 square feet, which comes out to $229 per square foot. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, has a 2-car garage, and was built in 2024. You know, this elegant 2-story tri-point built home is the epitome of contemporary living, where natural light floods a spacious open floor plan. The great room flows seamlessly into the gourmet kitchen equipped with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and custom storage options. You'll be able to entertain or unwind with ease thanks to the center sliding glass door leading to an aluminum covered patio, merging indoor comfort along with the peaceful outdoors. Upstairs, the primary suite offers luxurious retreat along with 2 additional bedrooms and a versatile loft space. Every detail, from high-quality LVP flooring to a modern staircase and quartz bathroom countertops, reflect a commitment to affordable luxury and comfort. You know, this home has yet to be lived in, so you have the opportunity to buy a new construction home at an excellent value if you're ready to move soon. You know, one tremendous advantage to living here in North Las Vegas is the access to various recreational activities without needing to travel very far. The city has numerous parks, trails, and recreation centers catering to families and outdoor enthusiasts. You've got Craig Ranch Regional Park, one of the largest parks in the area, featuring sports fields, walking paths, a skate park, and a fishing pond. Then there's Aliante Nature Discovery Park, where we're at the beginning of this vlog. It's well known for the lake, along with playgrounds, a splash pad, picnic areas, and scenic walking paths. Then there's Nellis Dunes Recreation Area, which is off-road enthusiasts are going to absolutely love it and enjoy ATVing and dirt bike riding in this designated area near Nellis Air Force Base. Then there's Cheyenne Sports Complex that offers fields for soccer, football, and baseball. Plus, there's walking paths throughout the park as well. Then there's a Skyview Multi-Generational Center, which provides fitness classes, community programs, and indoor sports. And for all you golf enthusiasts, the Aliante Golf Club is a well-maintained championship golf course with beautiful scenic desert views, suitable for both beginners and experienced golfers, which is an outstanding option to enjoy a day on the links. And there are more recreational options than what I just shared. I can absolutely assure you, you will not run out of activities for the whole family to enjoy. So, let's go take a drive around Azure Park subdivision to get a better feel for it. Our next stop is located in the gated community of Blackstone in the highly sought after Villages of Tule Springs subdivision, which is also located within the northern part of North Las Vegas, just south of the 215 Beltway and east of Revere Street. And you can see here behind me the absolutely stunning mountain views that you get over here to the north. You know, this home here listed behind me is for $660,000 and is 2,582 square feet, which comes out to $256 per square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, has a 2-car garage, and was built in 2018. This is another modern, meticulously maintained, single-story home that is located on a premium corner lot that you may be able to see right over here. There are no direct neighbors behind it, so definitely no fishbowl feel here. You know, the open great room is perfect for entertaining, while the impressive kitchen features a 10-foot island, granite countertops, gray subway tile backsplash, and GE Cafe stainless steel appliances, including a 5-burner cooktop. You know, this home boasts pristine 24-inch porcelain tile floors throughout the home, along with recessed lighting, custom light fixtures, and surround sound speakers in the living space. Then there's oversized sliding glass doors that offer views into the backyard, while the primary spa-like bathroom includes a large shower with dual range shower heads and floating vanities. The backyard includes a private, covered patio and is a blank slate for you to create your own private oasis. This contemporary home is the perfect blend of style, comfort, and location. North Las Vegas as a whole offers a mix of national retail chains, grocery stores, and local businesses to meet the needs of all your daily necessities really close to home. The Deer Springs Town Center, Aliante Plaza, and El Dorado Village are just a few examples of that. Around the city, big box retailers like Costco, Walmart, and Target are also easily accessible for all your daily necessities. Dining options are also diverse, reflecting the city's multicultural population. Residents can find everything from Mexican and Asian cuisine to classic American diners. While the culinary scene may not be as upscale as Summerlin or the Strip, there are still plenty of hidden gems, including family-owned taco shops, soul food restaurants, and popular breakfast spots. There's definitely not a shortage of restaurants in the area. So, let's go take a drive around this wonderful subdivision of Blackstone to see what it has to offer. Our last stop in touring homes in the $600,000 range is in another gated community. This one is called Castle Rock in the popular El Dorado subdivision. This home here listed behind me is for $675,000 and is 4,277 square feet, which comes out to $158 per square foot, which is an unbelievable value given today's home prices. It is 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2016. And as you can probably tell here behind me, this home is located at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac, which is great if you desire a home that is more secluded with less traffic. The interior provides a wide open great room floor plan with an adjoining den that opens to the gourmet kitchen, offering a large island, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry. The 3 sliding panel doors open up to the patio, which is great for that indoor-outdoor living experience. Another key feature of this wonderful home is the downstairs next-gen suite with a separate living area, a kitchenette, and a walk-in closet. And as you move upstairs to the spacious loft with living area, you'll find the secondary bedrooms, a laundry room, and a large primary bedroom and bathroom that includes separate vanities. The backyard features low-maintenance landscaping, an above-ground spa, and 2 covered patios. While the size of the yard is a bit smaller for a home of this size, but the lot orientation plays a big part in that, being that it's on the end here of the cul-de-sac. You'll be hard-pressed to find another home in this condition in a quality neighborhood under $160 per square foot anywhere else in the Las Vegas Valley. Absolutely incredible. This home is going to sell very fast. As far as education goes, I wanted to point out that North Las Vegas is part of the Clark County School District, which is one of the largest in the country. The quality of schools varies, with some schools ranking well while others struggle with overcrowding and funding challenges. The CCSD schools zoned for this particular community include Hayden Elementary, Cram Middle School, and Legacy High School. There are also charter schools, private schools, and magnet programs provide alternatives for families seeking specialized education. A few in the area include Somerset Academy, North Las Vegas, and Aliante campuses are 2 options that are both K through 8th grades. While there's also Freedom Classical Academy, which is also a K through 8th grade school. Additionally, residents also benefit from nearby educational institutions and libraries. So you'll definitely have options for your child's educational needs. So let's go take a drive around Castle Rock to see what you think about it. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview of what the $600,000 to $700,000 range can provide you with here in the growing city of North Las Vegas. This video gave you just a glimpse of some of the hidden gems this city has to offer. The narrative is definitely in the process of changing, so I hope you enjoyed this video and found it beneficial. So please like and share it. Please also subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on the surrounding areas so you can continue to get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live here in the Las Vegas Valley. If you feel North Las Vegas checks most or all of your boxes when it comes to finding the right city or community to relocate to, my team and I are ready to go to work on your behalf and are extremely proactive in our approach to assist in getting your offer accepted on your perfect home. We don't leave any stones unturned. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to North Las Vegas. So, until next time, we hope to show you around town very, very soon.